Yan. So, good morning everyone. Good morning, good day. So, kumusta na kayo lahat dyan? Welcome to my vlog. We're going to do a Jokoy's Day. Jokoy's Day, dyan siya. Ayan. Kailangan, kasi kada umaga nilalabas namin siya para, doing his business outside. And then ngayong umaga, dahil day off natin, rest day off, dito tayo ngayon sa may Shorncliffe, malapit sa dagat. It's only 5 minutes away from our home. May iba naman yung ambience ni Jokoy. So usually doon kami sa dog park. Ngayon nandito kami sa may tabing dagat. Ayan. And time check, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Malamig yung panahon, malamig yung hangin, and it's sunny day. Not there. So dito tayo mag walk along the ocean, dito tayo maglalakad. So it's slow tide. And 21 degrees ngayon, 21 degrees. Kaya malamig ang hangin. Grabe oh. Grabe, di mo pakali oh. Ano pakali, Jok? Ha? Jok, may dog, Jok oh. Come here. Let's go this way. Ayan oh, let's go this way. Yan, it's weather now. Come on. Excited, Jokoy? Huh? You excited? Huh?
The team leaders need to provide who they would like.
Yeah. The weather. Jokoy. Dito Jokoy, magladyo. Yan. Wow, si Jokoy oh. Diyan. Siya, up. Wow. Low tide, Jok. Ha? Sa low tide. Okay. Walk on the day. Right here in Shorncliffe. Slow tide. It's Jokoy's day. Yan, Jokoy. Jokoy, it's your day. Wow! Low tide, Jok. Ha? Sa low tide. Okay. Walk on the day. Right here in Shorncliffe. Slow tide. It's Jokoy's day. Yan, Jokoy. Jokoy, it's your day. Yan, so ngayon pabalik na tayo sa may kabilang side naman. Tapos siyempre spend tayo ng mga at least 30 minutes of walk. Diyan kayo. Nag-enjoy pa siya. Yan. Okay. Let's go. Oh, yan. So sa kabilang side naman tayo. Ano dyan, Jok? Tama na yan. Ang yabang yan. Pero may mga aso sa kabila. Ayan o. Hindi pa pwede si Joke sa tubig eh. Nakakainom ng tubig dagat. Tapos yung buhangin pumapasok sa ilong niya.
It's my life. It's my life. Yeah, dirty, 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 dirty. It's my life. I wanna shop, 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 shopping. It's my life. Money, 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 money. Yeah.
Naiinggit siya. Naiinggit si Joke. Joke, si Celos. Gusto niya rin maligo sa dagat oh. Wow.
We met you yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, with my wife?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow. Ay, we're back. Jokoy, come on, Jokoy, come on.
I was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I moved to the side, when I moved
Jokoy,
on
it's
your
your day.
mind, and I know what you're
Oh, it's
feeling.
your day.
I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's the season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when yeah. I get so tired of making me take a night, but thinking it's all that I do, cause yeah, I let you show, don't let
Oh, Jokoy, Jokoy, wow. Yan, silong lang, sabihin ko kami bilang umulan. Ayan, oh. Ganda ng weather, tapos bila siyang umulan. So dito kami sa Himalayang puno, bilong ni Jokoy. Ayan, ayan, Joke, oh. Nag-enjoy ka sa walking mo, Joke. It's your day, this is your day, Joke. Joke is already 1 year and 6 months. Ang galing, laki na bigla ni Joke, no. Ay, si Joke, oh, 1 year and 6 months na siya ngayon. So yan, magpapatila lang kami ng ulan. Then uwi na kami para kakain na siya. So sa mga ating mga subscribers, thank you for watching. This is your Kuya Koy. Keep safe, be safe. Alright, ciao, bye bye. Joke ko. Wow. Jokoy, ready to go home? Huh? Okay, ready to go home. So